it's me, Ethan. I'm just doing a review on this gold tin that I got. So let's open it up. Oh, this thing. So, Mosh, Nasako, Sato, Molly, Hiroki, Lasii, Boki, Targi, Jato, and Gondo. Let's show you the Gogos. First Gogo, Mosh. Misako. Sato. Molly. Lasii. Hiroki. Boki. Targi. Jato. And Gondo. Thank you for watching my gold tin review, and I'll see you guys next video I make.